Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Winnie Wayaki. Actually, I've been away from Daystar for 1 year. I was on a long leave and I came back to find nicha video. So this is a bit strange for me, but I think we'll get on fine. This is 2020, the year of online things. So I'm excited about this class and I'm going to be telling you a lot more about it. But for now, I'd like you to join our WhatsApp group that I've created. I'm posting the link on the e-learning platform so that we can meet there and chat a bit and get to know each other. So welcome.
Hi, welcome to Dr. Winnie's class. I am 8 and my name is Langkai. As you can see, I'm a child. Dr. Winnie will be teaching you guys how to take care of children. I thank you so much. Have a great afternoon. Bye. Here's Auntie Winnie. Here is Dr. Winnie. I said Auntie.
Thank I wish we could have her in our class as our specimen, but I doubt that's possible. So as she has said, this is child therapy class. We will be looking at many things about children, development issues, therapy theories. We'll be looking at how to interview children. We'll be looking at so many things. Even issues of when the child is in the womb, how they're affected, early child, absolutely a lot. We might intersect a little bit with Psych 211, which is human development, or rather in that course. So we try to confine ourselves to the therapy process and the issues surrounding therapy process. So it's an interesting course. I do child therapy with children, so I may be bringing on 1 or 2 cases for us to examine, or in one of our class meetings, which will be short, I know, I'll be sharing with you some of my stories with children. But always the big question of assignments, I'd like to share with you what is on the course outline, which is posted on the e-learning platform. But just to explain a little bit, the first assignment will be based around when a child comes to therapy, how to do the interview. So the assignment is find a child of 6 to 12 years and carry out a full intake interview. We will have covered this in class. Full intake with the person responsible for them. The child may or may not have a psychological problem, but you must give a summary of your professional opinion of the child. So once you interact with the child, even if they don't have a problem they are facing at the moment, talk about what you have found. So the purpose of you carrying out the interview is to write a report and say, I met with this child, this is what I observed, I questioned the parents, this is what I observed, and these are my conclusions. That will be due in the 4th week of the semester. So I'd advise you to get looking for a child to work with. The second assignment is a cut, and we will see how to do that cut, which we will do on the 8th week. And then we have a research project, which you will be in groups. I wasn't able to put you in groups as yet until we understand the full number of people coming for this class. So at that point, probably next week we will divide ourselves into groups, and this assignment is for you to look at the attachment theory as proposed by Mary Ainsworth, and you give us information on the 4 attachment styles, and each group member will attach a paragraph or 2 to the paper stating what they think is their attachment style and why. In total, your paper should be 5 pages, double-spaced, font 12, and have at least 3 citations from academic journals. Not Wikipedia, not anything on the internet, but academic journals. So that's a group research paper due on the 12th week of the class. The 4th assignment is what I'm calling class participation, and this will be throughout the semester. I'll be listening and watching each person's contribution, participation in class, your responses and everything, just to see whether you're interacting with the material in the class and how you're responding. So it will not be a right or wrong graded assignment. It will be your conduct throughout the semester. And then finally, the final examination at 30%. Please feel free to raise any concerns or questions that you might have through the WhatsApp link that I will put in the e-learning platform, or even through the platform itself. You have my email address too. Please feel free to contact me at any time. Usually I will respond to WhatsApp quicker than to messages. So you're very welcome to this class, and I hope we shall be planting seeds of child therapists in this class. Thank you, and see you soon.